Hey everyone, welcome back to the Talk English Daily podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mark. Today's episode is fun and useful. We're talking about 5 easy ways to say hello in English.
That's right, because if you always say only hello, it might sound a little boring or even too formal in some situations.
Exactly. In English, greetings change a lot depending on who you're talking to, friends, coworkers, or strangers.
Okay, let's start with number 1, the classic hello. Simple, polite, works everywhere.
Yes, you can use hello when you meet someone new, when you answer the phone, or even in a formal setting.
Role play. Anna meeting Mark for the first time at an event. Hello, nice to meet you. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna. I'm Mark. Great to meet you.
See? It's perfect for a first impression.
Number 2, hey, casual and friendly.
Yeah, you'll hear this all the time in the US. It's short, relaxed, and great with friends.
Role play. Anna walking into a cafe and seeing Mark. Hey, how's it going?
Hey, good to see you.
Notice, it feels warmer than just hello.
Okay, number 3 is hi there. It's still friendly, but slightly more gentle than hey.
Right. You might use it when greeting a colleague in the office or when you want to sound approachable.
Role play. Mark meeting Anna in the hallway. Hi there, Anna. Ready for the meeting?
Hi there, Mark. Yes, let's go.
See? Professional, but friendly.
Number 4 is fun. What's up? Or just sup. This one is very informal.
Yeah, this is common among younger people, friends, or when texting.
Role play. Hey, Mark, what's up?
Not much, just watching a movie. You?
Remember, what's up is not really a question about your day. It's more like, hi.
And finally, number 5, the time-based greetings. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
These are more polite, often used in professional or formal situations.
Role play. Anna walking into an office. Good morning, everyone.
Mark as the boss. Good morning, Anna. How are you today?
It's respectful and safe to use at work.
Mini review. So let's do a quick review. The 5 greetings are hello, hey, hi there, what's up, sup, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Exactly. And remember, each one has a different vibe. Formal, casual, or professional.
Bonus segment, practice together. Okay, let's practice with the listeners. If you're listening right now, repeat after us.
Anna and Mark. Hello.
Hey,
Hi there.
what's up?
Good morning.
Nice. You're sounding more natural already. All right, that's it for today's episode. 5 easy ways to say hello in English. Now you can greet people more confidently.
Yes, try using a new greeting this week with a friend, coworker, or even when you order coffee. Small practice makes a big difference.
And if you enjoyed this podcast, don't forget to follow, share with a friend, and of course, keep practicing English every day.
Both. See you
See you
next
next time.